Hello, here we're going to create some text in Genesis CAD. We select the text set parameters function. Here we can set all sorts of parameters related to text. For instance, its color, the font, its orientation, its size. You can see here I'm entering a value of 20 millimeters and automatically the system adjusts other parameters based on it. And it also shows a preview. Here we're going to change the text back to 10 millimeters in size. Press OK. And we're going to enter the text using the draw menu, text, and enter. And we can use the up and down arrows to indicate the angle of the text. There you can see that we are going to put it back at 0 degrees, and now we're going to enter the text on the screen. As I type it, it's reflected on the drawing. I'm entering a second line of text there, a block of text. I'm going to make a deliberate spelling mistake. Okay, LNE. I'm going to press the spell checker button. And the system comes up and says, okay, that should be line. We press change, and the system has now edited the text for me. Right, let's zoom up on the text. There it is. We can move the text around. Change its angle. And we can even go and modify the text afterwards. So click on the text again, and we're going to add another line of text to it. Okay, there we go. Some simple text on the drawing. What we're going to do now is change the parameters of that text. So for instance, change the color, change the size, and the font. And the orientation. Text, change the specific text, and you can see that it's now adjusted it. What we're going to do now is to create a balloon around the text. It's going to be a rectangular balloon. It's going to be filled, and we're going to pick a color for it. And press OK, and now we're going to change the text, the balloon of it, and it now looks with a solid background of blue. What we're going to do now is to create advanced text. So we are going to click the button that says Enable Enhanced Text. Enhanced text basically allows us to have different fonts, colors, and styles within a block of text. There we go. I'm going to enter the text now. Right, there we go. And I'm going to highlight a component of the text, for instance, the word colors, and I'm going to change its color. And I'm going to change the font of that highlighted text over there. Okay, there we go. Different fonts and different colors in the same block of text. What I'm going to do now is to copy the text. And there you can see, very simple to use these features within the system. And here is an example of a drawing with lots of different blocks of text entered.